All right, guys. So I have to admit, when I started this thing, I thought we would take, because it has 20 sides and each tetrahedron has 4 sides. I assumed, incorrectly so, that we would only need 5 tetrahedrons to make it. But that's true of one intersection. We need 5 tetrahedrons coming together. But what happens is they fold into each other because the tetrahedron laid flat won't work. We need to have it in 3 dimensions. So what I had to do was build this light blue one and get 3 sides from that. So now what I've got is a figure that has 18 sides with 2 missing. It's taken 6 tetrahedrons, folded ones that I unfolded, but only 3 sides of each are showing, right? So 6 times 3 is 18. We need 2 more tetrahedrons. And that's what's interesting now is I actually not miscalculated, but I basically misunderstood how many I would need because I was counting all of the sides. 4 times 5 would give me 20. And what I really needed was, I still need 20 sides, but only 3 of these could work on each one. The other one is folded in, right? You don't see it. So what I've done is I put the light blue one in. So now we've got all of them except for 2 sides. You see that? And now the taping of that blue one in was tricky. I taped it inside. I taped it outside. I reinforced the corners. It's a lot of taping. So I went and got another one of our white ones, right? This one here, the one that I made, the ones we made before. And I'm going to tuck this in for the last part. So the idea is that I'm going to slide this in to that little fold, which happens to be open, which is nice, and tuck it in right there. And then I'm going to put this one right here. And now this is going to be the hardest tape job of all, because basically what you've got is you've got to tuck this in and only tape it from the outside. And then this last fold I can either put on the outside or I can put it inside. And I think I'm going to put it inside so that my only one that's 2 is the white one. And I'm going to tape this one on the outside, all on the outside. So what you see is we have now 20 sides in icosahedron. Every colored one has 3 sides showing, yet the white one only has 2 showing because we need 20, not 21, right? So I'm going to tape this white one, and then what I've got is we can kind of like show you some pictures, and you've got a finished one. This is a hard project. It's an amazing project, though, because these things are really stable once you tape them all together, and they're pretty amazing to play with. I've had one in my classroom that I made out of cereal boxes years ago, and it's still doing well. We throw it around sometimes, and it's just kind of fun. So if you can make one of these, an icosahedron, 20 sides, all out of equilateral triangles, and using the same method that we used before. So I love these things. I think they're really cool. I hope you try it. If you can't get this one, this one is definitely the octahedron. That's something we can everybody can kind of get done. This is for like super challenge. See what you can do. Okay, have a great day, guys.